building information. In this section, which is the first of 7, we type in the basic building information. Also, you can see on the top bar here we have the 3 stages. This is the KM stage, and we also have the BP stage and the CCC stage, but these are locked and cannot be entered because the building first has to pass the KM stage. So after submitting all of this and getting the KM stage approved by DBKL, the next stages will be unlocked and can be typed in one by one. So let's go down and start the entry. We can see it's an office building as we typed in previously. And the first one is the gross floor area, excluding car park. And if you scroll down to the bottom of this page, there's a more detailed explanation about the gross floor area and what exclusions should be made to the area. So we go up here and put in the gross floor area. The next one is the percentage of that gross floor area that is non-air conditioned. So for this office building, it would be about 10%. The next one is the daylight coverage distance from the facade. So basically, we want to know how deep does the daylight reach into the building from the facade. So on a typical day, how many meters into the building can we assume that the electric lights can be switched off because there's enough daylight? So we put 3 meters in this case. We also have to enter the car park area above ground. And again, we can just scroll down to this basic cross section. So we have car park above ground and below ground, and later the building height, which should exclude the car park. So the car park above ground, we have 2000, and the car park below ground, we have 1500. The landscape area, here we are interested in the total landscape area that's planted on horizontal surfaces. So this can be on the ground, but it could also be on the podium or on the roof. So in this case, we have 550 square meters. Then we have the building height as shown in this illustration. So here we are only interested in the occupied levels. So in this case, this building is 28 meters high. And we click on next.